Create this gift tracker with me in your spreadsheet in less than 2 minutes. First, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to be and go to Insert Checkbox. Then, we need to go to the right for the statuses and use the if function, exactly as shown. For anything that is under, else it's going to be over. Then, we're going to go to Conditional Formatting. Green is going to be for anything that is under budget, so follow this exactly as shown. And then we're going to go back in there to look at the red. This is going to be for anything over budget. So again, follow that exactly as shown. Now let's test it with a few spends. Looks good. Now when we go to budget, we're going to use the sum function and get a total of our budget. Then we're going to do the same thing with sum for the spent. And then we're just going to subtract those two because we want to see how much remaining budget we have and we want it to dynamically update. Next, let's use account A to get a total count of checkboxes that will not update as we check the checkboxes. Next, we're going to use a count if for any checkbox that is true, because that would mean that we purchased them. And then in the next box, we're going to do a count if again for anything that is false, because those would be the ones that are not purchased. Let's check the boxes. Everything's working, and let's add some spends. Looks great.